Hey guys, you know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. Welcome to another video update. This time we're off Mountain View Avenue, so it's a commercial development. Stay tuned. Let's jump into some details. Alright, so this is the development we're looking at today. It's on 218 Mountain View Avenue, just outside of the National Stadium. We are on Goodwill Crescent. That's where we are. So that is the development. They have underground parking and about 5 floors. It's been developed as a prime commercial development. We did a video on it about 2 years ago when Corona just started, so it delayed the construction a bit, but they're up and running. The building is going up. They have gone up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors. So I know I've taken a little while before I came back to do an update. I'll also put the very first video I did on this complex as well, a good while ago. So just doing an update for you guys. We'll send up the drone as well. The drone will capture the development. It will also capture the National Stadium, some of the beautiful homes up by Beverly Hills. We should be able to spot the Prime Minister house as well, which is public knowledge. It's on the internet, so I think I should be able to capture that with the drone as well. And I think close to the Prime Minister is also Asafa Powell house. So yeah, the drone will be able to capture all of that, including this development right in front of us. So commercial development on Mountain View Avenue. Just giving you guys a quick update so you guys can see what's happening around this side of Kingston. So the drone for sure will show you much better views. Remember to subscribe, guys. A few persons are watching, haven't yet subscribed. Subscribing is free, doesn't cost you. You know, support a Jamaican channel that's all for Jamaica, all for the good things that are happening in Jamaica. You know, all different type of development, growth. That's what we represent on the channel. So subscribe, like the video as well. That help it to go to other persons that have never seen the channel, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the development. Let me know what you think about each video I do. So leave a comment for sure, and remember to share so persons in other section of Jamaica and overseas can see what's happening as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Alright guys, so the developer is Real Equity. I'll put their link, Instagram link, in the comments, and again I'll put the first video I did in the comments as well. And it's Goodwill Avenue. I think I said something before, so it's on Goodwill Avenue alongside 218 Mountain View Avenue as well. So this is the property we're looking at today. There's a few other empty lots in this community, which the drone will pick up a bit, and a few rundown property as well. One is beside me, sorry, behind me. I'm gonna show you guys a glimpse. So those are not the ones behind me. Just showing you the view. Alright, so this is the rundown property here. And it's on a very big corner lot as well. So I'm showing that, I'm sure somewhere along the line it's gonna get developed into something commercial or something residential. Alright guys, remember to comment, remember to like, subscribe, share, and let's send up the drone soon. The drone is going up in a little bit. bye.